Did you know that simply drinking a glass of cold water can temporarily boost your calorie burn by up to 30%? That's right. Small, everyday choices can have a surprising effect on how efficiently your body burns energy. Metabolism isn't just a buzzword tossed around in health circles. It's the internal engine that determines how quickly or slowly your body uses calories for fuel. And while many believe that metabolism B is dictated strictly by genetics or age, the reality is that you can influence it in unexpected ways. In this video, we'll reveal 4 surprising and science-backed methods to supercharge your metabolism. Whether you're looking to manage your weight, increase your energy, or simply feel more vibrant, these strategies might just change the way you think about your body's inner workings. First, let's acknowledge the common hurdles many people face when it comes to boosting their metabolism. Perhaps you've tried counting calories, logging endless hours of cardio, or cutting carbs in hopes of revving up your metabolic rate. Yet, the scale barely budges, and your energy levels remain stubbornly low. You're not alone. It's a struggle shared by many. The good news is, there are more effective and less obvious strategies to ignite your metabolic fire. Let's dive into the 4 surprising methods you may not have considered. Our first unexpected metabolism booster: increasing your protein intake. While most people know that protein is important for muscle building, few realize just how much it can impact your metabolism. The process of digesting protein requires more energy than digesting fats or carbohydrates, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food. In fact, your body burns up to 30% of the calories in protein just to process it. For example, if you eat a 100-calorie serving of chicken breast, nearly 30 of those calories are used up during digestion. Adding more lean protein to your meals, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, fish, or beans, not only helps you feel fuller for longer, but also gives your metabolism a significant lift. Method number 2 might seem counterintuitive: stand up more often. That's right. Something as simple as standing instead of sitting can make a big difference. Prolonged periods of sitting have been linked to slower metabolic rates and increased risk of weight gain, even if you exercise regularly. In contrast, standing activates more muscles, burns more calories, and can boost your daily energy expenditure by an impressive margin. Consider this. Standing at your desk for just 3 hours a day can burn an extra 100 to 200 calories. Over a year, that adds up to the equivalent of running more than 30 marathons. Try integrating standing breaks into your day. Take phone calls on your feet, use a standing desk, or simply stretch every hour. These small habits can accumulate into major metabolic benefits over time. The third surprising strategy: spice up your meals with chili peppers. It turns out that the fiery compound responsible for their heat, capsaicin, has metabolism-boosting properties. Research shows that capsaicin can increase your body's calorie burning rate, reduce appetite, and even help your body tap into fat stores for energy. In one study, people who consumed capsaicin-rich meals burned more calories and reported feeling fuller compared to those who didn't. Adding spicy peppers to your dishes, incorporating hot sauces, or even sprinkling a pinch of cayenne into your soup can provide this metabolic edge. And don't worry, if you're not a fan of extreme heat, even milder peppers can offer some benefits. Now, for the most surprising, and perhaps most underestimated method: prioritize quality sleep. While it's tempting to think that metabolism is all about what you eat or how you move, sleep is a critical and often overlooked factor. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that regulate hunger and energy use, such as leptin and ghrelin, which can slow your metabolism and increase cravings for high-calorie foods. In fact, studies show that just a few nights of inadequate sleep can reduce your resting metabolic rate and lead to weight gain over time. On the flip side, quality sleep helps your body recover, rebuild muscle, and maintain optimal metabolic function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a calming bedtime routine, and limit screen time before bed. Your metabolism will thank you. Let's take a moment to emphasize just how powerful sleep can be for your metabolism. While many focus on diet and exercise, neglecting sleep can sabotage even the best efforts. Think of sleep as the reset button for your metabolic health, a chance for your body to repair, balance hormones, and prepare for the day ahead. If you've been struggling with weight management or low energy, improving your sleep might be the missing link you never considered. To recap, here are the 4 surprising methods to boost your metabolism. First, increase your protein intake to take advantage of the thermic effect of food. Second, stand up more often. Break up long periods of sitting to keep your metabolic engine running. Third, spice up your meals with chili peppers to harness the calorie-burning power of capsaicin. And finally, prioritize quality sleep to ensure your body can operate at peak metabolic efficiency. Integrating these strategies into your daily routine doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. Start with small changes. Swap a carb-heavy snack for a protein-rich one. Set reminders to stand and stretch. Experiment with new spicy recipes, and create a sleep-friendly environment. Over time, these habits can add up to significant benefits for your metabolism, energy levels, and overall health. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about optimizing your health and wellness, be sure to subscribe for more science-backed insights and practical advice. Your journey to a healthier, more energized you starts with the choices you make today.